Good morning students. In this video, we are going to solve sub question A and E of question number 2 from exercise 12.2. Now the question is, write true or false against each of the following statements. Students, in this question, we have to check that the given statement is true or false. Here, in A question, two ratios are given in proportion. We have to check that these two ratios are in proportion or not. If they are in proportion, then we have to write true. If they are not in proportion, then we have to write false. Therefore, first of all, we have to write this ratio in simplest form. Therefore, 16:24, which is equal to 16/24. Now, numerator and denominator both are divisible by 8. 8 2s are 16 and 8 3s are 24, which is equal to 2/3. Now students, we can write this 2/3 in ratio form, that is 2:3. Therefore students, simplest form of first ratio is 2:3. Now we have to write simplest form of second ratio. Now second ratio is 20:30, which is equal to 20/30. Now 20 and 30 both are divisible by 10. 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, which is equal to 2/3. And we can write this 2/3 in ratio form, that is 2:3. Therefore students, here simplest form of these two ratios are equal, that is 2:3, 2:3. Therefore these two ratios are in proportion. Therefore 16:24 are in proportion with 20:3. Therefore these two ratios are in proportion. Therefore the given statement is true. Therefore the given statement is true. Now next question, 5.2 is to 3.9, proportion 3:4. Now students, here two ratios are given in proportion. We have to check that they are actually in proportion or not. Now first of all, we have to write first ratio in simplest form. Therefore 5.2 is to 3.9, which is equal to 5.2 divided by 3.9. Now students, here two numbers are in decimal. Therefore we have to remove this decimal point. Here after decimal point 1 digit, here after decimal point 1 digit. Therefore in numerator and denominator we have to multiply by 10. If we multiply numerator by 10 and denominator by 10, then answer is 5.2 into 10 is equal to 52, and 3.9 into 10 is equal to 39. Now 52 and 39 both are divisible by 13. 13 4s are 52 and 13 3s are 39. Therefore which is equal to 4/3, and we can write this in ratio form, that is 4:3. Now students, simplest form of first ratio is 4:3. Now we have to write simplest form of second ratio. Now second ratio is 3:4. Now students, already this ratio in simplest form, 3:4 already in simplest form. Therefore simplest form is same. 3:4. Now students, simplest form of first ratio is 4:3 and second ratio is 3:4. Therefore both are different. Therefore these two ratios are not in proportion, but here it is given that they are in proportion. Therefore this statement is false. Therefore we can write here 5.2 is to 3.9 not in proportion with 3:4. Therefore these two ratios are not in proportion, but here it is given that they are in proportion. Therefore we can write here the given statement is false. That is capital. Therefore students, in this way we can find out the given statement is true or false. Students, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.